Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the world of $Q, also known as Quack AI, a cryptocurrency token that's been generating quite a buzz. We'll explore its potential applications and use cases, and then get right into our main focus, how to actually buy $Q. First, let's understand exactly what $Q Quack AI is all about. We'll break down the token and the project behind it, looking closely at its AI integration and the specific functionalities it offers. We'll also examine its role within the DuckChain blockchain ecosystem, if applicable, and delve into the tokenomics, covering its supply, distribution, and any burning mechanisms in place. We'll also talk about the team behind $Q and their development roadmap. Then we'll take a look at the DuckChain blockchain itself, provided that DuckChain exists and is relevant to the project. We'll talk about the benefits of DuckChain, such as its speed, security, and transaction fees, and how it connects specifically to $Q. We'll also compare DuckChain to other blockchains, like Solana, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. MEXC up, it's all about where you can buy $Q. We'll give you a list of the exchanges where it's currently listed, with a primary focus on MEXC Global. We'll also mention other decentralized and centralized exchanges. We'll explain the features and benefits of each platform, giving you all the info you need to choose the right exchange for you. How we get to the practical part, a step-by-step guide to buying $Q on MEXC Global. We'll start with account creation, providing a direct link to MEXC Global, and walking you through the registration process, including any KYC verification requirements. Then we'll cover depositing funds, outlining the supported cryptocurrencies for deposits, like USDT, ETH, BNB, and SOL, and providing screenshots of the deposit process, as well as covering the minimum deposit requirements. After that, we'll show you how to actually trade $Q, guiding you through the MEXC Global Trading Interface, helping you find the $Q trading pair, and explaining how to place both market and limit buy orders. We'll also explain trading fees. Finally, we'll cover how to withdraw $Q to your personal wallet, the fees involved, and important security considerations, like two-factor authentication. You'll then talk about buying $Q on other exchanges or decentralized exchanges, highlighting examples such as PancakeSwap on BSC or Radium on Solana. We'll emphasize considerations specific to decentralized exchanges, like slippage and gas fees, and stress the importance of using reputable DX aggregators. It's important to understand that there are risks. So we'll discuss the volatility of cryptocurrency markets, the risks associated with new altcoins and meme coins, and the crucial importance of doing your own research, otherwise known as DYR. We'll also go over security considerations, such as protecting your exchange account and safeguarding your private keys, and offer some pointers on scam awareness, including how to avoid phishing and fake tokens. Once you've acquired your $Q, you'll need a safe place to store it. We'll go over the different wallet options, from exchange wallets to software wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet, and hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, which are recommended for long-term storage. We'll explain how to securely store $Q in your chosen wallet, and the importance of backing up your seed phrase or private key. If applicable, we'll also discuss bridging or wrapping $Q tokens across different blockchains, for example, from ETH to BSC, explaining the risks and considerations associated with cross-chain transfers, and highlighting the tools and platforms that can be used for this purpose. To wrap up, we've covered the steps on how to buy $Q, while always remembering responsible investing. Don't forget to do your own research. And we encourage you to join the $Q community on platforms like Telegram and Discord to learn more. One last thing, please remember that this isn't financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.